So we got a new vehicle here. It's a 2017 Nissan Versa Note SB, and we're gonna be doing the turn signals today, okay? So you might have seen our previous video where we did the headlights with the 9007 LS. Now we're gonna be using the T-Series error-free 3157s, okay? So checking you out just real quick, showing you how they look. This is the stock halogen bulbs. Again, these will be the 3157s, okay? So let me activate the emergency. You can see both of them at the same time. So there you have it. We got in the emergency mode. So we got both lights lighting up at the same time, just so you can get an idea of how the halogens look. And now I'm going to show you how to replace them, okay? So you can see the difference between the stock halogen and the new T-Series 3157s in amber. And I will also show you the switchbacks, okay? Okay, so on this vehicle, it's very easy to locate the actual turn signals. You can see they're just right there. It's gonna be the ones that go in here. Yep, there it is. Okay, and it's gonna be the same thing for the passenger side. They're right there. Okay, so let's do this side because there's more light here. Turn it. Simple as that. So that's gonna be your bulb. Cool thing about these is that you can actually see the model number on it. It's a 3457, which is actually a 3157 as well. So this is a standard socket. So if you ever see one of our bulbs with the description that says 3157 CK, don't use those. That's for a different vehicle. This one's gonna be a standard socket. So just look for the one that says 3157 standard, okay? So at this point, what you're gonna do is I recommend wear some gloves, especially since we just had this bulb on a couple of seconds ago. So it might not be too hot, but I recommend, just to be safe, use some gloves or some microfiber cloth, something to keep the bulb from getting dirty, because these are good. They just want something brighter, okay? So real quick, put that there. Let me grab it. Just pop it really easy. Just like that, okay? And get your other ones. So we'll put this to the side for now. And I'll go get the 3157s in amber and switchback, okay? Be right back. All right, so I got the bulb in here. The actual package will look like that, but this one's for the ambers, okay? You can see there's only pure amber chips on it, compared to the switchbacks will have half amber, half white. So I already installed the actual bulb. It's very simple, just plug it back in place. These are polarity sensitive, meaning that you have to put them in the correct side or else it won't light up. So I'll show you right now. I just plugged it in, so not sure if it'll light up or not. And if it doesn't, I'll show you how to fix that issue, okay? So real quick, I'm gonna go activate the emergency lights and then see if it worked, okay? And as you see, they're working fine. So that means I got it correct. So now let me take off the actual emergency lights off so we can see the actual switchback function. So put it to parking lights. And you can see it's working fine. Okay. So at this point, you can put it back into the socket and continue to the other side. But I'm gonna show you just real quick, okay? Just what I was talking about earlier about how if it's not connected correctly, it won't light up. So let's turn it off. Let's see if I can somehow get this to stay. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Flip it over. Okay, so it's in. Light it up. And as you can see, it's not lighting up. So if this happens, all you gotta do is pretty much just take it out, flip it over, reconnect it, and there you go, okay? Just make sure you line it in correctly and that it's contacting the actual pins, and then slide it in. Because if you don't, what you were seeing right now is that I kind of got it sideways, so it wasn't letting me push it in, but it was making contact. So once you line it up correctly, it'll pop in, and it'll click, and you know it's locked in place, okay? So at this point, you can put the bolt back in place. Okay, so we have it locked in. We'll reset the counter again, the actual light switch, because it's timed. So just turn it off, turn it back on. And there you have it. So I'm gonna turn on the car so I can do the turn signal function and show you how that works, okay? So just a quick comparison. This is the T3157 switchback. As you can see in the parking light mode, you got the white. And on the passenger side, we got the stock halogen bulb. Okay, so it's a big noticeable difference. So now I'm gonna turn on the turn signal so you can see the flash. And I'll do the other side now. Okay. And I'm going to activate the emergency now. It's a big difference. Again, these are the T3157 switchbacks, and this is gonna be a standard socket, okay? Don't grab the ones that say CK because they won't work. So now I'm gonna put on the actual amber version so you can see they're both amber, and then from there I'll complete the whole installation, okay? And here is the 3157s in pure amber, so they'll be amber parking light and amber turn signal, okay? You can see right there's a big difference. And I'll flash them now. Okay. And again, a big difference. So now that I've showed you how they look compared to the stock halogen bulb, I'm going to finish putting both on and then show you real quick like that you have a final representation of how it will look if you have both ambers or if you have both switchbacks, okay? So I'll get that started. This will be the same procedure as we did on the driver's side. We're going to be doing the same thing for the passenger, okay? And just like that, guys, this completes the installation. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please let us know. We'll help you out. Again, these are the T3157 standard bulbs in either the switchback or the pure ambers, which would be amber turn signal, amber parking light. So if interested, let us know. And Thank you for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next video. Take care.